morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1044th edition, and that's a lot of editions, of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni, and that would be me. Good afternoon, good evening, traders. Tonight, Sunday night, I'm filming this video for helping you trade Sunday, Monday, and possibly Tuesday. What am I teaching you about tonight? I'm going to teach you that we are staying pat with the green Omni. And I say this, until Omni blows a gasket, we just keep on keeping on. Traders, Omni has been calling it right day after day, getting us in near the lows, getting us out near the highs. I say, head down, nose to the grindstone, on to the next trade, and keep on keeping on. Until, not unless, until we know nothing's perfect, until Omni blows a gasket, however, I am going to take Omni trade after Omni trade and keep putting it out for you. We know futures trading is extremely risky. It can cause substantial financial loss. Futures trading is not suitable for all trading accounts. If you do not understand that a stop can be your best friend, you certainly should not be in this game. Traders, what I put on this board before your eyes in my last video, one of the many things, it said UST bonds might need some breathing room, leave it alone. Why? Because they're probably going to build a sixth bear flag, which means they need to go up for a while. And when the bear flag is over, bonds will come back down. I am here to say bonds are just about done building their sixth bear flag now. Today, tomorrow, Wednesday, it's coming. We're just about finished and ready to go over the hump again. I will show you that in the chart segment. Keep your eyes peeled. So remember, until Omni blows a gasket, we are absolutely going to keep on buying, just like Omni says. Dow Jones, ES, NASDAQ, Russell, Dow, and bonds look like they are just about done building their sixth bear flag. I will keep you posted minute by minute. If you want to know about that bond flag, you come on down to livewithoscar.com and allow me to help teach you the art of technical analysis and keep you informed about when I think we'll fall out of the bond flag. Traders, the gold is almost baked on this rally. If you recall, I don't know, a few videos back, I said when gold hits 1179, it looks like it's going to find some buyers. Since 1179, exactly to the number, by the way, gold has gone skyrocketing up. It looks like it's about to breach the 1300 level. I say let it take out the stops above 1300. I will let you know when it's time to sell the gold, but I think gold is just about baked, maybe a little over 1300 before we see where it's going to go. So I'm going to take you into a chart segment now, traders. I want you to come on down to livewithoscar.com. Come to my live free trading room. Allow me to help teach you to be a better analyst, which should in turn make you a better trader. And let me show you how to understand the Omni. With no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Okay, traders, the Dow Jones Transportation Average Daily Bar Chart. If you recall, I showed you the resistance a week or so ago and told you the leader broke through it. The followers should follow. Well, the leader, being the Dow Jones Transportation Average in this case, has now created this bull flag right here. And bull flags usually equate to higher levels, so you gotta love what the leader is doing on the daily. Traders, the emini S&P, a follower. Ever since the market was saved by OTAPMA, so to speak, the Omni Trading Academy's proprietary moving average, it has gotten above the resistance. It did its follower's job. It followed the leader. And look at it now. It is off and running. You got to love what you see there. Why not stay inside that channel and just keep on moving higher? Then we have the NASDAQ. Look at the NASDAQ, off to the races. It followed the leader as well, had a nice run past the resistance. This was previous highs in the NASDAQ. We are now here as of the taping that I'm showing you right now. NASDAQ looking fantastic. Then you have your Russell. Traders, look at the Russell off to the races. Look at this monster channel, and now it's getting steeper. Russell looks fantastic. So on your dailies, you got to love what you see for trading Monday and Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. We will take this one day at a time. This is from Monday directly, but the markets will likely act this way for the next few days. On the weekly chart, you've got NASDAQ. Look at this wonderful chart. Traders, this is a weekly going back to 2009. Look at how it just goes from top to bottom. And it's on its way up now. There's no reason why this target should not be hit at some point. This is the trajectory that we're on right now. I think we will stay on this trajectory and just continue higher. Let's look at another chart. Traders, look at this wonderful, it's almost a masterful breakout of the emini S&P, of a bull flag, and of this massive, massive channel. This channel has been working for quite some time, and on a weekly, we are now above that channel and above the bull flag. Traders, that is big, big, big. You gotta like it for the daily trading. Traders, T-bonds, daily bar chart, 5 consecutive bear flags, right? I showed this to you and I said, I think we're forming a 6th one. That's when we only had these 2 little bars. Well, these last 3 days tell me that I believe that is absolutely a 6th bear flag forming. And we are just about finished, and we will probably do our nosedive out of that bear flag shortly. I will keep you informed. Remember, you had a bear flag, and you did a nosedive and a bear flag, and a nosedive and a bear flag, and a nosedive, and you know, I could just keep saying it, bear flag, nosedive. Well, here we are with that bear flag, and the nosedive should come. So that's your bonds. You've seen the U.S. indices. Pull your own charts. Do your own homework. Always do your own analysis before accepting anybody else's technical opinion. So, traders, you've seen the charts, and there is my technical argument for why we have the green omni, and I love clapping for those green omnis, why we have the green omni in the U.S. indices. And remember, traders, we told you that bonds would need some breathing room. It's exactly what happened. Now I'm telling you that bonds are getting ready to come out of that breathing room or bear flag and move lower. Not yet. Don't sell them yet. I'll give you the go-ahead when Omni gives it to me. Gold, again, almost baked. I think it needs to cross the 1,300 mark and take out some of the weak-handed shorts, some of the weak-handed stops that are going to get zipped. And then maybe once it breaks out above 13 and slows down a little, Omni will give us the go-ahead. We will see. I'll keep you informed there. For tomorrow, we start out buying the dips in U.S. indices. And again, keep on keeping on with the Omni until Omni blows a gasket. Traders, I'll see you at livewithoscar.com. Always remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help yourselves with that is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, and don't forget, keep on keeping on until Omni blows a gasket. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.